Africa Content TV.
As a very loyal party man, come to present the certificate of election to him as the party leader, and commend his effort in this supporting democracy in Africa. This is the largest democracy in Africa, and we couldn't have done any better. We're lucky. There's no incident, there's no accident, and no matter how provocative a defeat is, we still have to tolerate it if we are Democrats and we have a nation to build. So
what are you taking away from your engagement with the president this evening?
The calmness and commitment, and the fact that after voting, it taught us again dedication to our party. This place is ballot paper. We want to see loyalty to the party and being ready to build a future for all of us. And no matter how tempting the problem of democracy is following the process, building a successor, and ready to hand over, peacefully in Africa. It's a big deal now. It's a very big deal.
We started receiving messages of goodwill and congratulations.
Oh, very, very, very many of that already. Very many. In fact, as far as Europe, the stock market reacted positively well. There was a good message of best wishes from Macron, the president of France. So that's.
What about your opponents?
Please leave him alone. Leave him alone.